Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full review of the Aurien Remineralizing Gum, a product that claims to support gum health, freshen breath, and even rebuild enamel. But is this gum actually effective or is it just another marketing gimmick? Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. According to Orient's official website, this remineralizing gum contains a mix of xylitol, calcium carbonate, and hydroxyapatite, the same mineral found in your teeth to help strengthen enamel and promote oral health. They also claim it's backed by dentists and safe for daily use. However, here's where things get a bit questionable. There are no third party reviews, no Trustpilot ratings, no Reddit discussions, and no real feedback from actual users online. That's a major red flag for any health related product. Plus, the site itself reads like a typical high marketing DTC or direct to consumer brand with a strong focus on sales rather than clinical evidence. Right now, there is just no enough or not enough evidence confidently say that RN remineralizing gum works as advertised. Without verified user reviews or clinical backing, it feels more like a hype product than a proven one. If you're serious about dental health, it's probably better to stick with products recommended by dental professionals. Thanks for watching. If you've actually tried Orien gum, let us know your honest experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more BS reviews. See you in the next one.